Hello, my name is Claudia Beatriz Espejo. I am 15 years old. I am a student of last semester of Business Administration. In Korea, I work as a HR coordination in a multinational. I am happily married. I am serious, committed, and disciplined person. I live in Bogota with my family in the Villa Cristina neighborhood. I have three sons. My older son is Michael. He is a professional in finances. My second daughter is Jacqueline. She is a professional nurse. Michael is darker skin than Jacqueline, but Jacqueline thicker than Michael. Jacqueline is taller than her cousin, and Michael is shorter than his grandfather, but as handsome as his father. Michael likes English more than Jacqueline, but Jacqueline is fond of soccer more than Michael. They are more fun, but Jacqueline is less boring than Michael because the leagues do different and the time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.